Hey gamers, welcome back. Want to connect your Ubisoft account to Xbox Game Pass and play titles like Assassin's Creed or Rainbow Six? I've got the fastest steps to link them up, works on PC or Xbox. Let's get gaming. So linking your Ubisoft account to Xbox Game Pass is a must for playing Ubisoft titles on the service, like Valhalla or Extraction. It syncs through Ubisoft Connect, letting you access your games and progress. No connection, no launch, let's fix that. So guys, for PC, open the Xbox app, pre-installed on Windows, search for Ubisoft game like Far Cry 6, and click install. It'll prompt you to log into your Ubisoft Connect. Use your Ubisoft email and password, or sign up if you're new. After login, a browser window pops up, hit authorize, then return to the Xbox app. Your game is now ready to roll. And that's it, Ubisoft is now connected to Xbox Game Pass, whether PC or Xbox, you're now synced for epic playtime. Love this, smash that like, subscribe and comment if you hit any glitches. See you in the next one guys, game on.